birds aren't real. I'm gonna grab some birds. And they're gonna start screaming, ain't that right? Ain't that right, bud? Ain't that right? If a bird comes, like right there, I'm gonna grab him. Okay, guys. Now I'm just waiting. So tell me if a bird goes right there. Yo. There was too many birds. Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real. Trying to tell everybody that birds aren't real. Birds aren't real. See a bird. I'm gonna grab him through the fence. He knows I'm coming. He's like, oh, heck. He was like, oh, heck, no, I'm gonna get up there. He saw me coming. He was like, oh, heck, no. He should know. Where are these birds? Where are these birds? They're in that tree. I'm gonna go to that tree over there. Birds, come out. Come. Hey, birds. Sit right there. Do you got any bird seeds?
No.
I'm waiting for the birds. See you. I saw him. He flew over there. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you right now. Any last words? Any last words, birds? Coming to get ya. Now these birds, I know they're in this tree. Come out this tree! I know you're in here. Now where are these birds? I'm looking for these birds. Birds aren't real. I repeat, birds aren't real. I'm coming back now. I didn't catch a bird yet. I'm going bird hunting. God, this is crazy. I never went bird hunting before. But today I am. Go. My foot. What's it on my foot, God? God, and this is hard, bro. I'm going bird hunting. I know you guys had got to be out here. Somewhere I'm gonna find you. I'm finding ya. Maybe if I shake this tree, all the birds will come out. Let's see. Well, didn't work. Okay, how will I catch a bird? How does bird hunters catch a bird? They sneak up from behind. Okay, I gotta be sneaky. I'm in sneak mode. Quiet. So yeah. That was just a fleet, I think. I'm gonna go grab those birds now.
Yeah, right. Don't go too far. I can't see you. You know how to do. You big boy, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab one of those birds, and I'm recording. Yeah. Now, during this section, I should be able to find them. So as soon as one of them. I think my phone. My phone is like looking up the solar eclipse right now. So the birds are over there. I gotta go get them. I want to see a screaming bird. Okay. The forest. This is the bird forest. The bird forest. This is the bird forest, guys. Where all the birds. Of course, I see a bird. He's right there. I gotta go get him. Sneak. Sneak. He disappeared. Dang it, guys. This rumor. I ain't finding any birds. I ain't catching anything.
Yeah, because that's on the way. You know the doctor, don't you? It's right there on Century Greenfield. That's one of them. So I'll stop back on.
I saw a bird. I saw a bird. I saw a bird. So hard. Coming to that one tree. Now I still gotta get to that tree. Birds! And I'm close to the chirping. Then I hear the birds. Like then I can't. Then I know. Well, why am I stepping on flowers? I shouldn't. That's why the birds are coming here.
No, Milky is milky. I told you.
Wait a second. The fence.
Like oil and water, baby. Oil and water.
I saw a bird. I saw another bird. It was a big one. Oh, that was a big one. Huh. Yeah, if I catch a bird. He's going to that first tree. He's going. I saw the bird going to the first tree. Huh? I saw another one. Oh, shoot, they're coming.
Okay, so you going over there, you going to get the llama. What you doing, cutting grass?
Yo, who is that?
Your grass? Your grass.
That's it.
Yeah.
I got my weapon, my bird killer, right here. I grabbed the bird. We know this real. Don't let the birds take my stuff. Okay, hold on, I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. Well, maybe after this bird hunting episode, this will be bonus. What? Daisy, Daisy. I got a thumbnail for the video. They're in there. I see you. I'm gonna bring my soul.
Ain't no tough on myself, man.
Yeah, see, I can do that. More fried chicken here. Where are these birds? Okay, now guys, this is the last try before, after part 1. Just looking for birds. Birds. Guys, now this is a 360 thing. Yeah, guys, I can do this 360. Ha ha ha. Yeah, look, I can do a flip. Wait, I was gonna flip.